inside the house when it all happened, and it was just, you know, like sound of explosion, like boom sound immediately. And immediately I could see clouds of dust, and house was shaking very, very like it's about to fall apart. It was really scary, and I just ran. I was in the kitchen the moment when it happened, so I ran to the living room to see what is going on there, and it was really dusty inside, like all clouds of dust, and I could see cracks on the ceiling even. Yeah, and I just decided it's dangerous to stay inside, so I just grabbed my dog and ran out of the house and called my husband. And
Good night. 45, 45, 45,